Welcome back. Today is me, Beto G. I'm back today with another trap beat. I'm your best teacher online to teach you how to make trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Nauro trap beat. When you launch your FSO, put your cursor like this, you right click, then you press open. But for me, I've already launched my FSO. So I'm going to click on add here, click on add, then click on my citrus. I've opened my plugin. On this empty space, I'll just put my cursor on top of this empty space, left click, then hold the left click button. Turn the mouse wheels to channel 5 like this. Put my cursor on this citrus, right click and press piano roll. So it's not sounding very good. I'll click on citrus. I'll click on this icon, click on my preset. Then I'll click on this classic. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of this classic, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. Click on piano roll. I'll start to program my Nauro trap beat. As you can see, I've programmed my first 2 bars. I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. After that, I'll click on add here, click on my boot bars, put my cursor on this empty space, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 6, put my cursor on this boot bars, right click, then press piano roll, click on that piano roll. After my first to 4 bars, I'm going to highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B, right to bars number 8. That's my bass melodies. After that, on my hat on channel 3, I will right click, then press piano roll. I'll start to program my hi-hat now. That's my first bar. I will highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's okay. I'll start to program my snare now. I'll put my cursor on this empty space on my snare, right click on my mouse, press piano roll. This is bar 1 here, starting at here. At the starting of my bar 1, I'll put my first snare at the ending of each bar now. I'm putting my snare like this. Like this. They can create a different bounce like this. Like this. That's a different bounce. I'm arranging a different bounce like this. Good. After that, I'm going to left click, drag it channel 1, right click, then press piano roll. I'll start to program my kick now. Inside the rows and columns, make sure you use the rows and columns to create a trap beat. After that, I'll click on channel 1 here, click on this bow knob, then turn the bow knob right up. That's good. Now it's time to arrange a beat. This is our playlist here. I'll click on my playlist where I've written part 1 on the screen. I'll just put my cursor here. This way my cursor is shaking. I'll right click, then click on split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed today has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio, which is here where my cursor is shaking. Make sure you use this tool. I'll click on draw, click on my kick, then click back into my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click back into my playlist, click on my snare, click back in my playlist, click on my classic, click back into my playlist, click on my last melody, and click back to my playlist. After that, I'll click on select, then I'm going to just highlight it, which you can see, press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then I will highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat up to 79. I'm extending my beat now. I'm going to add my outro. I'm going to add my outro by clicking and adding my outro like this. I'm going to remove the hi-hat. I'm going to right click like this and remove a snare. I'll go back into my mixer on 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor on 3, right click, then click on create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click, then click on create automation clip. And that's okay. I will not just mix today, but now let's listen to Nauro trap beat from the starting to the end. Then see you tomorrow in another video which I'm going to mix the beat. Now let's just listen to the beat and see you tomorrow in another video. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow in another video on how to make trap beat. Just subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.